Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon in a pan. First, select a good quality pan, like a cast iron skillet or a heavy stainless steel one, which helps distribute heat evenly. Arrange your bacon strips in a single layer across the bottom of the cold pan, making sure they don't overlap. This initial cold start is key to slowly rendering the fat, which is essential for achieving perfectly crispy bacon without burning it. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. Now let's get cooking. Place your pan with the bacon over medium-low heat. This gentle heat is crucial for slowly rendering out the fat, which is what makes bacon truly delicious and crispy. You'll want to flip the strips every 2 to 3 minutes. This ensures both sides cook evenly and develop that beautiful golden brown color. Keep an eye on the heat. If it's too high, the bacon will burn before it gets crispy, so adjust as necessary. To achieve that perfect crispiness, continue cooking the bacon, flipping occasionally, until it reaches your preferred texture. Remember, it will continue to crisp up a little more once you remove it from the pan, so don't overcook it. A common mistake is overcrowding the pan. If you have too many strips, cook them in batches. This helps maintain a consistent pan temperature, ensuring each piece gets equally crispy and delicious. Patience is key here for truly great results. Once your bacon is perfectly crispy, use tongs to transfer it to a plate lined with a couple of paper towels. This helps drain off any excess grease, making it even more enjoyable. Let it rest for just 1 or 2 minutes. This brief pause allows it to firm up slightly. Don't forget to save that delicious rendered bacon fat. It's fantastic for cooking eggs, vegetables, or even making gravies, adding incredible flavor to many dishes. Enjoy your perfectly cooked bacon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.